Okay guys, Farmerman Rose here. It's not another flying video or whatever I've been doing today. I just want to let you know why my name is Farmerman Rose and why I chose it. And I know some of you people know that I got a farm. Well, I figured I might show it to you. So right now, we're taking soybeans off our field. So we got a guy in with his combine and he's taking them off right now. So I'm just gonna turn into the farmhouse here. You see he's got his tractor out. I'm just gonna pull over and get in with him and we'll go for a round. So yeah, just for that, I'm gonna pause the video right now and I'll be back in the tractor. How are you now? Oh, you got a friend with you. Oh. We got the combine right here.